Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick walkthrough of the instructions on how to get started with the predator and prey relationships PhET simulation. Now, the simulation is also linked in Google Classroom, but you can click on the link right here to open it as well if you need to. Now, we're going to do this side by side so that we can see our questions on one side and the simulation on another. So once you have the simulation open and ready to go, we're going to grab that tab, pull it down, and then we're going to grab it again and pull it all the way to the right-hand side of the screen. You'll notice that it gives us this white shadowy outline of where it's going to snap to. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to go back to the window that has the questions. We're going to double-click on any blank space on the bar and drag that to the left. So now we have our questions. So I'm going to walk you through challenge 1 so you can see how to use it, and then you're going to go through challenge 1 yourself, answer the questions, and then move on to 2, 3, and 4. So in challenge 1, we need to make sure that we've already reset the simulation so that everything's good to go. We'll start by clicking this button here. Now, we need to add a mate by clicking this yellow button here and allow the bunnies to get to generation 3. We can speed this up by clicking and holding on the fast forward button. Once we get to generation 3, we're going to pause the simulation. Now we're going to go to the environmental factors and turn on limited food. You'll notice that there's less green vegetation on the ground for the rabbits to eat. Now we're going to turn on the data probe. This will allow us to look at the population size of the rabbit at any time by clicking on the gray line and moving it. So we can see right now at the start of generation 3, we have 18 rabbits. Now we're going to click play to resume it, and we're going to run it until we get to generation 7. All right, now that we're in generation 7, we're going to pause it. And we're going to use this to answer the questions now. So if you scroll down, we have our environment, our limiting factor, and some questions and observations to answer. So wherever it says in red, type your answer here, you're going to write your answer to the question based on what you see on the simulation.